Hey there, welcome to Blades and More for my review of this Buck Langford folding pocket knife. Buck more recently has come out with a new line of pocket knives that are imported from China. And this one is the Langford. The number on it is 251, and on the blade it says 251 plus. I know they've made probably at least about 5 different models in this line. And this is the Langford, as stated. And it's a Buck's kind of answer to a budget brand piece, or pieces that can compete with some of the other imported brands, maybe like Ganzo and Even Grow, and it has ball bearing pivot, G10 handle. This is a kind of a slender, sleek, elegant design, which I'm attracted to. Has a flipper tab opening, G10 handle material. It's working pretty good for me now. I did have to do some adjustments to it though that were a little disappointing, so I'll tell you more about that towards the end. But first let me go over some of the specs of this knife. The overall length of the knife is 7.875 inches, and the close length is 4.5 inches. The blade is 3.375 inches long. It's made out of a 7CR stainless steel. There's a Buck insignia on the blade, plus it says 251 plus. It's a drop point blade design, the satin finish, a thumb ramp that has jimping on it. The blade thickness is 0.110. Has a rear choil by the flipper tab. Ball bearing pivot with G10 handle material. It's been milled in the middle. Very lightly textured. Hardly any, but a little texturing. It's a deep carry pocket clip that is for right hand carry pocket only. Tip up carry design. Blade is centered well in the handle. It's an open back handle design. Stainless steel liners that have been skeletonized. A lanyard hole. And a liner lock. That's where the problem was on this knife, the liner lock. There's a depression in the handle, kind of a thumb choil, that lets you get to the liner lock, but it is a little hard to access. It's flush with the handle, so it'd be nice if they would have brought that liner up just a little bit or made this depression a little deeper. You can get to it easier, but when I first got the knife, the lock was sticking quite heavily. So I had to tear the knife apart And I hated to do it, but I just briefly sanded on the liner a little bit and on the edge of the blade where it meets the liner lock to make the action get rid of that sticking. It was sticking. And you have to be very careful when you do that, though, because I've ruined knives in the past, taking too much off. And if you aren't really careful, it could cause the blade to be loose. And this blade is just, it's perfect. I don't feel any wobble at all in it. And the liner now is working better. And when I took it apart, I also oiled the stainless steel ball bearings, so that helped. Now the action's pretty good. G10's about right. But because of the way it came, and I'm not sure if that was just, you know, a difficulty with this piece or if all of them are like that, I'm going to have to assume that if this one was like that, it could be that more of them might be like that. I would have to degrade the rating I would give it. I'd probably give it a maybe a 5 out of 10. It shouldn't have come like that. For, oh, I think I paid around $30. That's what these are going for. You can get them, pick them up on Amazon and eBay. But you shouldn't have had that problem. So now it's working pretty good. I might bring the rating up a little after my adjustments. But if I had to do it over again, I might pick a different brand knife to spend my $30 on. But I have a few other of these buck models coming in this line, so I'll do a comparison of them, and hopefully they may come without that liner lock issue. And I'll let you know. So, all right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you back again. All right. Bye now.